everyone! So, today's video is going to be another digital plan with me, but this week I'm going to be using a new digital planner. This is a planner from Planner Boutique, and it's just her iPhone planner. Basically, when you open it on GoodNotes on your iPhone, it fills the entire screen, and it's a super good, on-the-go planner. So, right now what I'm doing is actually just, typing in things that I've got going on this week over into Keynote, which is what is on the right side of the screen. And I'm just copying and pasting that over into GoodNotes like it's an image so that I can have nice fancy fonts because my iPad handwriting, though has gotten better, still not as awesome as I wish. So, right now what you guys see me doing is actually setting this up like I was going to use stickers, but as you guys will see, after I use the stickers, I decided I liked it better without them. So, I'm actually going to kind of move on just from what this is and kind of update you guys a little bit as to what's been going on and why I haven't had any videos up recently. Because pretty much all I'm doing is typing and putting that in there, and that's just how I set up my week. After I did the video, I did decide that I wanted to kind of color code some things, like not super color code, but like things I didn't do, I marked out with like a red highlighter. The bill that automatically came out, I marked off with a blue highlighter, and then my work stuff, I marked with a green highlighter, just so I could kind of tell the difference. But I really like the way that it turned out without the stickers. It looked very elegant, one would say. So the reason I haven't had any digital plan with me's up recently is because I actually haven't really been using my digital planner. Um, as you guys know, as you guys have seen, I had been using my traveler's notebook that I got from Target, and I also opened my sticker shop, my print and shop. So things have kind of revolved around that, and I really was like, oh, I can use my digital planner for that. But then, I don't know, I just felt like there was way too much room for that. So, this week I kind of combined all my YouTube, Etsy, work, and personal stuff into one planner spread. But I do think from now on, and we'll see going forward, I think I may make this iPhone planner my Etsy one. Um, or my personal one and then make the TN Etsy. I don't know. We're going to see how it goes. I've got some new inserts in my TN kit, so instead of having a week on one page, which I'm using that insert for something else, I do have an insert that looks like an Erin Condren, but has slightly less room on the page. So, but that's kind of why I hadn't been digital planning and why I hadn't been posting the videos, because I had tried to film the videos a couple times and I just wasn't super into them, so I just never put them up. That being said, I will have another new video on Thursday, and that'll be my new releases for the week. I was going to do videos Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Monday was going to be digital plan with me. Tuesday was going to be $1 Wednesday releases, and Friday was going to be Thursday was going to be new releases. But I think instead I'm just going to do a new release video on Thursday. I'll put the $1 Wednesday stuff in there. And then you guys can see that. So right now, actually, there are stickers in the back of this planner that you get, and I was flipping through to see if I wanted to use them. This was when I thought I was actually going to put the stickers in the planner. So, like I said, after I cropped it down and I put it in and I realized what it looked like, I decided I wasn't into that. But yeah, so that's what the current, week plan is gonna be, is videos Monday and Thursday. And then Sundays, although I did do it on Saturday this week, but on Sunday evenings, I will be doing my TN Plan With Me live stream over on Instagram. So I'll have all of that stuff linked down below. I don't really have too much else to say about this spread or anything else, so I'm going to go ahead and go. I'm going to let y'all finish this off with some music. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me planning in a little different way in a different planner. Like I said, this is sized for the iPhone screen, so I really like it for on the go. and it's $5, so it's very affordable if it's something that can work for you. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all on Thursday. Bye!